I am Dr. Sandeep, Director for Radiology and Imaging Sciences at Tenet Diagnostics, Hyderabad and Bengaluru. Today I am going to share a little detail on some of the most commonly occurring disorders of the liver, which most of us are not aware of, and those are the non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, also called NAFLD, and non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, also called as NASH. Now, it might be surprising for all of you to learn that most of us have this condition called fatty liver disease, but yet not many of us know what it is. Now, it is very essential to understand what fatty liver disease is and what it can do to most of us in the long term. Now, if you allow the fatty liver to progress, there will be more and more accumulation of fat in your liver, and ultimately it progresses to end stage liver disease and a condition called cirrhosis, which is a point of no return. So how do we manage to find out what is happening to the liver? Now, routine blood tests do not generally give us an idea about what is happening to the liver. So what can we do to see and monitor our liver status? Now, a point to be noted here is the MRI, which has got this advanced liver imaging techniques, especially on the 3 Tesla MR at Tenet Diagnostics, which is called as MR elastography. Now, it measures the elasticity of the liver to find out and to document whether there is some amount of fat in it, or is there any kind of fibrosis which results in stiffness of the liver, and to what extent the fibrosis exists in one's liver. It can be stage 1 to stage 4, but what is imperative is to find out what extent the damage is, and once we find out the status of the liver, if it is stage 1 and 2, it can be immensely correctable by either modifying our lifestyle, which is doing more exercise and cutting down on fat and oily stuff that we have in our day-to-day diet, or with some medications which can give some amount of relief to the liver. So it is very essential for us to monitor the liver, and for us to use advanced techniques such as MR elastography to try and figure out what stage of the liver damage one person is in, so as to avoid unfavorable and unnecessary outcomes such as liver failure, which can be a point of no return, and the treatment for which can only be liver transplant, which is not only very expensive, but also the chances of leading a normal life after a transplant is that much more smaller. So it is very essential that all of us keep a watch on the liver status to find out and to monitor if at all we have any kind of a liver dysfunction, and MR elastography is an excellent modality and excellent method of choice to monitor the liver status. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.